Okay, this might be the cleanest wireless mic I've ever unboxed all year. What's up guys, Holyland just sent me the brand new Lark Max 2 and today we're gonna unboxing it and testing if it's actually worth it for content creators in 2026. Let's open this up. So this is the Holyland Lark Max 2 Ultimate Combo and I'm not gonna lie, the packaging already feels premium. Like look at this thing, bro. You open the box. Damn! We are here for you. Thanks. Damn. Holy Land. First, you get two transmitters, camera receiver, and a USB-C receiver for your phone. Then it gets better. You've got a full pair of open-ear monitoring earbuds with their own charging case. Inside the kit, there are also two omnidirectional lav mics, plus two furry windscreen for outdoor shooting. Cable-wise, they did not hold back. You get a USB-C charging cable, USB-C to Lightning, two TRS patch cables, one long, one short. They also included magnetic silicone sleeves with magnetic discs, so you can mount it cleanly under a shirt. And to top it off, a really nice carrying case to keep everything organized. Hello, testing. This is Hiro. Don't forget to make like and subscribe. Another test. Hello, testing. Now here it gets interesting. This mic records in a high quality audio, 32-bit. It has a strong noise cancellation, long battery life like all day type battery, and the wireless range is insane, which means you can shoot outside, you can shoot in noisy places, you can even walk pretty far from your camera and it still sounds clean. But specs don't matter if it actually don't sound good. So let's test it. This right here is the Holyland Lark A1. And this is the Holyland Lark Max 2. No edits, no filters, just straight out of the mic. If you are a YouTuber, TikToker, or a podcaster, or even filming client work, if your video quality is bad, some people might leave. But if your audio is bad, everyone's is kicking off. Yeah, people can forgive bad video, but they will not forgive bad audio. If your sound sucks, everybody's leaving. And this might be actually the safest upgrade you can make. Just give me 7 days with this mic, then I will tell you everything. Drop a comment if you want a full comparison, or hit follow for more honest tech reviews. Done.